Alright, so today we're gonna try to get to the subwoofer. We'll try to fit my 10-inch Boss subwoofer in here. Some way, somehow, we're gonna try to get it fit. It should. I might have to customize it, but I'm definitely getting it in there.
Hey y'all, I went ahead and partnered with the good guys over here at Epic Water Filters. This is one of their pure pitchers. Now they do have two other items. They do have a under the sink filter, and then they also have a water bottle that filters as well. These are really good filters. They eliminate odors and chlorine aftertaste for a crisp, flavorful hydration. Each filter removes 200 plus contaminants. Once again, like fluoride, forever chemicals, lead, microplastics, things that's in our water, that's just not good. Now, this is a long-lasting filter. Each filter produces about 150 gallons of fresh water, so about around 3 to 4 months of use. So it really is good. Get a lifetime warranty, 100% satisfaction guarantee with a full refund if you do not like it. So you do have a warranty with it. Also, this pitcher is BPA free, so you know have some plastics have chemicals in it. This is BPA free, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals in the plastic. So this is a really good pitcher as well. Also, Epic Water Filters, they're a small business on a mission just to reduce the use of plastic. And not only that, if you're planning on going on a camping trip, you can take this pitcher with you, fill it up with some water, it'll filter it for you. You don't have to worry about buying any water bottles. Other than that, the link will be in the description below. Once again, shout out to Epic Water Filters for sponsoring the video. Let's get back into the video.
FYI, I was cleaning while doing this video as well, so you see remove the tire, I like start vacuuming, and I start steaming some stuff because I still wanted to detail some stuff out. But other than that, it's gonna be fast forwarded, but just letting y'all know if you see like certain spots where I'm vacuuming and steaming, then yeah, that's why. Once again, if you are doing this or you're just doing this in general to clean, this is a perfect time to clean the back or the back seats or under the seats. This is perfect timing to get the steamer out, vacuum, and start cleaning this stuff. So I'm just hooking up my subwoofer now. I did have to cut it. Some of that, the box itself, had to cut some of the box itself to fit my sub in there like I thought I would anyway, because I believe this is a 8-inch sub. You can get an 8-inch sub, or like I said, I'm using what I have. I'm not spending any extra money on stuff I don't need to do. But I'm hooking up the wires here. The green is the positive and the black should obviously be negative, but I hook up both. So I tap into both connections because these both come on the 8-inch sub. There's 2 connectors, so I hook into both. I put the both greens with green and put both blacks with blacks, and it works just fine just like that. So you won't mess anything up if you're doing it that way.
Rexo on the beat.